Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and one of my most versatile and comfortable layers in my wardrobe is for sure this ANRABESS long cardigan. I love to have great layers on hand, and this cardigan is an excellent departure from my usual hoodies. It makes me feel very grown up and put together, but it is also extremely soft and cozy. Because of its chic simplicity, I think that it pairs really well with not only formal, more dressy clothes, but it also does not look out of place at all with more casual wear. I am in love with the length of this cardigan, and I also really like the wide collars and the flowy drape of the material. It is super flattering. It packs really well, and it is the perfect layer for me to pack in my go bag so that I have it on hand in case I get a little bit chilly. The pockets on this cardigan are incredible. They are really generously sized, so I can fit a lot of necessities in there, so I don't always need to carry my purse with me when I'm wearing this cardigan. I am so happy to have this essential cardigan in my wardrobe, and I definitely want to get a few more colors. And that's my point of view.